Did you know that the food you eat doesn't just impact your physical health, but also has a profound effect on your mental well-being? Your brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. The gut-brain axis, a complex communication network between your digestive system and your brain, plays a crucial role in this intricate relationship. When you consume a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods, you're fostering a healthy gut microbiome. This thriving community of beneficial bacteria in your gut is essential for producing neurotransmitters, chemicals that regulate mood, sleep, and cognitive function. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, leading to inflammation and impairing brain function. This can manifest as brain fog, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, and even increase the risk of developing mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. By understanding the powerful connection between food and mood, you can make conscious choices to fuel your brain for optimal mental well-being. Just like your heart needs a healthy diet to function properly, so does your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are essential components of brain cell membranes, promoting healthy communication between neurons. Antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables such as blueberries, strawberries, spinach, and kale combat free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. These colorful powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that support brain health and enhance cognitive function. Don't forget about the importance of hydration. Your brain is about 80% water, and even mild dehydration can lead to impaired cognitive performance, including difficulty concentrating, fatigue, and headaches. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your brain hydrated and functioning at its best. Alzheimer's disease, a devastating neurodegenerative disorder characterized by memory loss and cognitive decline, affects millions worldwide. The Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and fish, has been consistently linked to a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. This dietary pattern is abundant in antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect brain cells from damage and preserve cognitive function. Emerging evidence suggests that following a ketogenic diet, characterized by high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate intake, may also offer protective benefits against Alzheimer's disease. Ketones appear to provide a more efficient source of energy for the brain, potentially enhancing cognitive function and slowing down cognitive decline. Adopting a brain-healthy eating pattern is a crucial step towards reducing your risk and maintaining optimal cognitive health as you age. Depression and anxiety are debilitating mental health conditions that affect millions worldwide. While therapy and medication play crucial roles in their treatment, emerging research highlights the significant impact of nutrition on mood regulation and emotional well-being. A diet rich in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats has been linked to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. These dietary components can disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria, leading to inflammation and impairing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, crucial for mood regulation. On the other hand, consuming a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to function optimally and regulate mood effectively. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds have mood-boosting effects and may help regulate neurotransmitter activity. Probiotics, beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, can improve gut health, potentially reducing inflammation and positively influencing mood. Brain fog, a common complaint characterized by difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and lack of mental clarity, can significantly impact your daily life. Consuming sugary drinks, processed snacks, and refined carbohydrates can lead to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leaving you feeling mentally sluggish and foggy. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which release energy slowly, providing sustained fuel for your brain. Dehydration is another common contributor to brain fog. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function, leading to difficulty concentrating and fatigue. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as blueberries, spinach, and dark chocolate, protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, improving cognitive function. Additionally, foods high in B vitamins like leafy greens, eggs, and legumes support healthy neurotransmitter production, enhancing mood and cognitive performance. The intricate connection between diet and mental health is undeniable. By adopting a brain-healthy eating pattern, you can unlock your brain's full potential and experience a life of enhanced cognitive function, emotional well-being, and mental clarity. Incorporate brain-boosting foods into your diet, such as fatty fish, colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. These nutritional powerhouses provide the building blocks for healthy brain cells, support neurotransmitter production, and protect your brain from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. By making conscious food choices and prioritizing a brain-healthy diet, you can empower yourself to live a life of enhanced cognitive function, emotional well-being, and mental clarity. So, eat smart and embrace the transformative power of food for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life.